if, like me, you get the service overdue reminder on your F900R, F900XR, you're going to need a special computer to reset it, rather than having a Techstar system or, oh, there's a GS911 with adapter cables and wires. What you'll actually need is this little device here. Let me show you how to use it. First, remove the seat from your motorcycle. Then locate the ODB port. You'll find it's got a little clip on it, so you have to depress the clip before you can remove it from its housing. Now plug the device into your ODB port. It does lock into position. Turn your ignition on and wait for the service overdue to be displayed before you go any further. Now on the device it's showing mileage, so I'll hold in both buttons, then it will have a little flash. Now it's talking what year do I want to set the reminder at. So it actually does two things. There's a year and month. It's really easy, just up, down and hold both buttons to confirm. It also works on BMW R9T racers, a lot of modern BMWs like the GS's. So I'm just setting it for the year 2027. And the service reminder will be removed from your screen instantly. Turn your ignition off. You can turn it back on to confirm. There we are, everything's good. You can even go in and check your service computer, service requirements. There you go, mine's been reset. This was recorded in 2025. So I set mine 2 years ahead, but it says, hey, oil change in 6,200 miles or 2 years. Then remove the device, pop your OBD port back into its holder, and you're all done until the next time you need to service your motorcycle. By the way, the link is in the description below. Thank you all for watching.